Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to do my plan with me in my Skinny Classic, Fauxbonichi, Happynichi, whatever you like to call it. I think the Happy Planner is calling it a Skinny Classic. This is a DIY version. This cover is using a doll from Coco's Vision, and the background is something that I created. That was the front. This is the back. These are the rose gold metal discs. Even though there's gold accents in the graphic, I only had rose gold, and to me it's fine. So this is what the inside looks like. I have my signature bows, and I did ink the edges of the front cover and inside cover, as well as the dividers. So the cover page and the dividers are from Creative Design by Jessica, and I just used washi tape on the back. They are laminated. This is what they look like. I do have some of my inserts from my shop in here. So I have this Hobonichi style insert, where it's the week on one page and then the grid on the other page. I have this daily timed insert that's in here. That's in my shop, and it goes from 5 to 9, and then you have room for lists, your date, stickers, whatever you want. These inserts are from my shop, and so is she. But let's get to it. So initially I was going to use this for something else, and I had some pages that I set up. So this is one of those, and then this is the other, but I never actually used it. So I also have these very plain basic full box insert. They are stamp ready, sticker ready, and it has I have 3 versions. So with this one file you would get these plain full boxes. Then there is one with the header boxes, and then one with the grayed out header boxes. So whichever one you want, all 3 of them are included in the download. So I'm going to work with the plain boxes for today, and I've pulled out some things to work with. So this is for the week of spring. So I'm going to use these florals. The florals are in the Fun Florals book from the Happy Planner. This is the Boss Babe sticker pad from the Happy Planner, and this was gifted to me by Boo Boo Kitty. And this is the sticker pad Fun Florals again. So let's get into it. This was the inspiration. This sticker is the inspiration for this spread. And also, I've already decided which doll I want to use. I'm going to use her. She's from exclusive number 3 from Coco's Vision Shop. It's cocovisionshop.com. And if you use my code Rachelle20, you can save 20% off your order. Also, I think I'm going to use some date covers from Crafting by the Pound. Hopefully I have some that will match. I think these kind of go with this flower here, but then the green too. But no, we're going to go with this beigey looking color. So the cool thing about these inserts is, actually I could just use the plain. You can set up your days however you want. So I could do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I think that's what I'm going to do. So that can give me a box to decorate and a box to list in. So this is the washi that I pulled to use. And I think I'm going to start with this one as far as framing off the boxes. And I don't have to go all the way across because I'm going to put my day of the week up there or on the line, but to allow for the positioning, I'm just going to go all the way across. Okay, so we have our base washi down. Now let's go ahead and see what we want to do with the days of the week. I could do them like that. Let's see. I don't know how that's going to work out, but we're going to try it that way. Now doing it this way, you'll have a split weekend. And that, I really don't mind that because I don't really have a whole lot going on the weekends that I need to plan for. So I know a lot of people don't like split weekends, but I don't have a problem with that. And again, that's the cool thing about this particular insert. You can use it however you want. If I wanted to make this a week on 4 pages, I could. So. And Sunday. Okay. So this is going to be for the week of the 16th through the 22nd. So I am going to put my dates right up underneath the beginning of each day. Let's take a look in dates and holidays. Let's see what I have over here. I could use spring is in bloom, I think. The first day of spring is the 19th, and then we have St. Patrick's Day on the 17th. I'm just thinking if I should put it down now or wait. I think I'm going to hold off on that. Let's finish with a deco. Let's start with one of these. Save that for later. Okay. There's something right there. I don't like stuff that says the best day on my planner, but I'm going to use this and I'm going to cover that. I don't know how I want to use it. I think I'm going to use it, just drop down a little bit. Like that. To kind of balance this color off, I think. What is that? Or is that too much? No, I'm going to leave it. And then I'm going to cover it with something. I'm going to use this week sticker from Crafting by the Pound to cover that up. And then I'm going to put a to-do over that from Piper Paper Company. Let me find it real quick. So let's get a to-do. So it can say to-do this week. I mean, that's not perfect, but maybe I should move this week up. No, I can't move it up because then it's going to show the gold underneath. So we're good. I'm going to leave it like that. I keep saying I need to get more laundry stickers, and I keep forgetting. But I'm going to put it right here in between. And then I need payday. To go right there. There will be no shopping. I think Wednesday is my last day to shop. We're going to have ballet only 2 days this week, if they have it at all. So there's that. Trash. Gonna use the Crafting by the Pound trash cans. So we're gonna do trash on, set that out Wednesday to be picked up on Thursday, and set out the recycling on Thursday to be picked up on Friday. And we also need to set out some leaves. So I don't know what I'm going to use to mark that. I'll just probably write that in. Let's put down one of these work stickers because I'm going to be working like crazy this week. Okay, so let's put down the spring sticker. I hate to put that by the trash can. That just doesn't seem right. So I'm going to put it up here. Okay. And then I need to do St. Patrick's Day. You know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to put that because it's too big, taking up too much space. So let's just use a little clover and call it good. Okay, and one thing I need to correct is we do not have ballet. So I need to take these two stickers up. I was going to leave them, but no, I need to take them up. So I'm using my undo. I only have like a few drops of this left, so I'm using it sparingly. And let's see. Hopefully I can get these up before it gets stuck again. So I'm just going to stick these down on there and I can use them again. Okay. So I think I got that right now. Okay. I like this. This is good. So let's pop it in. That was a quick and easy. That's it for this plan with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!